You know the truth about curly hair that nobody tells you? It's so easy to get overwhelmed. One day you buy a curl cream, and the next day there's another curl cream that claims to be even better. That's why, as a stylist, I recommend you don't complicate it. Just keep it simple. Solid 2 or 3 hair products can make a world of a difference. Meet Lakshmi.
Hi.
Today I'm going to give you a full makeover. So before we start the makeover, I have a few questions. Do you straighten your hair?
Yes.
Have you ever rebonded your hair permanently?
Yes. Thrice.
How is that like?
When the hair starts to grow, it feels weird. Again, I have to straighten. You know, it was completely mess, and my hair was falling like anything.
Yeah, that's the worst.
Yeah, but the problem is that I don't know how to style my hair.
Yeah.
Because of the frizziness. So whenever I want to go out, I'll just try to, iron it.
Yeah. So you felt like you had no choice but to iron it?
Yes.
Okay. Good. I cannot wait to teach you so that you will have more choices.
Yes,
healthy choices to take care of your hair.
I want to know how the hair will turn out.
Yeah. Also, I noticed that your hair is like it's a regular haircut. Like,
yes.
You get a wet cut from a regular salon, they end up giving you this triangle.
Yeah.
So, I want to ask you, with this makeover today, do you want more volume or do you want definition of the curls?
I want definition. I want definition.
Okay, if you see my curls,
It should be bouncy, like yours.
like mine.
Yes.
Okay, we'll see, because I have a different texture and you have a different texture.
Yeah. Okay.
So just quickly touch my hair.
Yes.
It feels a bit
Hard.
Yes.
Okay. Like a volume. There is
Like
volume?
no, like how it's like. Okay, in Malayalam there's a word. Okay, chagri.
Okay, yeah. Mine was like this, but after after postpartum hair loss, it turned like
Softer?
this. Yeah, it became softer.
Yeah.
But at the same time, I lost a lot of hair.
Yeah. The postpartum, it's natural, but know that it's not permanent. It's just a phase. So I'm glad you're out of it because your baby's like 2, right?
Yeah, 2.
Good. So you're like, your brain is coming back, your body is coming back.
Yes.
Nice. Okay, so now I touched your hair, okay? Now compared to my hair, your hair is it's leaning towards thicker texture like mine, but it's not as thick.
Yes.
So it's not as fine either. Like if you touch a baby's hair is fine, but yours is not like that. So therefore we can say that yours is a medium texture. Okay. So whenever you have a medium texture, you want to like balance. You don't want to do too much of protein products. You don't want to do too much of moisture products. Either things will not work for you. So in today's makeover, first we're going to go wash your hair, because I don't know what hair products you use.
I ran out of my curly hair, shampoo, so I thought, can you find, because I don't know how to style it. I just wash it.
I'm not judging, okay? I'm not judging you. I just know there are some things in your hair that you don't want.
Yes.
So first we're going to clarify your hair. And you said that you have straightened your hair and occasionally you straighten your hair, right?
Yes.
Can be damaging.
Yes.
So that's why we're going to treat your hair today.
Maintain.
Yes. So we're going to use the Ultimate Bond Repair Therapy. And then we'll come back and then we'll style your hair.
Okay.
Yes. This is a hair before. Side is.
Even if you're going to a salon, there is no proper person to guide you.
Yeah. That's because they don't know. You see all that oil and everything, no? That's why we need to clarify.
Okay.
So I'll have to shampoo your hair nicely.
Because my hair was so frizzy.
Yeah.
And I had so much of split ends also.
Yeah.
So, like you said, when a party comes or a function, I don't know how to, style it.
Yeah.
So I just have to put a hairband. And it looked so awkward, like when you're dressing
you're
up.
not free.
Yeah, and it's so weird.
I know. We'll fix it. You'll see
Yes.
now how this is going to look. See, this is all like we washed and conditioned your hair, and I showed you exactly how to shampoo, how to condition your hair, right? And now I'm going to style your hair, and I'll tell you exactly how to use them step by step as I'm doing it, so that you can use this again in your normal life. Okay, by the way, this is how much you have to use, okay?
That's it.
That's it. Okay, I know in the shower you asked me about conditioner, right?
Mm-hmm.
So for your hair, because right now it's low density, that means it's not as dense. So if you use conditioner, it might be very heavy for you. Better than a conditioner is a leave-in conditioner. So remember I said that your hair is dry. No?
Yeah.
So dry hair needs moisture. So you want to use something light, like a leave-in conditioner, for moisture. But don't stop over there, okay? Because this is not going to hold your curls. So that's why we want to use a hair gel. And especially now when it's like so hot and humid, you want to use a gel that gives you hard hold. Okay? And is humidity resistant. Okay, that means if you apply it in your hair and you go outside, it won't frizz. Your hair won't frizz with this gel. And this is how much you should use. Tiny bit. Yeah. See, I took that tiny bit of leave-in conditioner. It's still there in my palms. Most curly hair products are super concentrated. Okay, so it makes sense to use very less at first, and then you can take more as you go. Okay. Each curly hair routine is customized for the person and the texture and the type of hair you have. Now I remember you said you needed more volume. So that's why we're going to do it this way. First just apply and rake it through, and then we'll scrunch. Now for scrunch, if you want more volume, you'll have to flip your hair. Okay, so I'll ask you to stand. Just stand here and then flip over. So now we're going to scrunch your hair. Okay, so now imagine these are your hands. So you'll go like this. Pulse and scrunch the gel in so that it holds these curls that are forming because of this technique. You want to hear this squishy sound. You saw how less we used, right? Okay, I know we are layering products here, but these are thin layers to hold your hair. Okay. Now the last layer of hair will be the mousse. We're putting it last so that it holds, not only holds all this yummy structure that we got, but it also will give you volume. Then we did leave-in, gel, mousse. Oh, nice. Really, I have tried curly hair routine many times, but I never got anything like shiny. Yes.
Mine was so flat earlier.
Wait till you see how it dries. Continue to scrunch till you don't feel the products in your palms anymore. Remember I had that leave-in conditioner in my
Yeah, all gone.
Everything is gone. Except for this little bit. But yeah, that's how you should. After styling, we're going to dry your hair and see how that looks. Okay, I remember earlier you said that you wanted volume, and remember we were talking, and then I said that mousses add volume. Now, if you add a little bit of mousse while you dry your hair, it speeds up the drying time. Just a tiny bit. Just focus on the areas where you want it to dry quick. Like you can put it here also, it's okay. These are all clean ingredients. The beautiful. Look at that. Go closer, see. Nice. Right? Yes. But don't touch it now. Oh no. Sorry. I was too excited. You touch it later after I go, okay? So this is just setting your curls right now. Okay. Like I feel like you're 24 now. I'm at 29. It's the haircut and the liveliness curls bring in here. You can't touch curly hair, okay? You keep touching. It's not like blow dried hair that you keep touching it, no? Or straight hair.
No brushing, right?
No. So like when you blow dry the hair, you have to fix it and touch it and all that, right? If you do that to curly hair, you'll have frizz.
Okay.
Okay. Don't fall. Okay.
Oh my god, it's so nice.
Right? Yeah, I'll show you the
back.
Yeah, I took the back.
I look like a different person.
Yeah. So cute. Told you, like 5-6 years younger.
Yes.
Right?
Oh my god. These are my curls.
Yes. With what? With raking and scrunching only.
Yes, yes. So what should I do now?
Just don't touch it.
Okay.
See? Okay, see now that triangle is gone
Hmm.
and we have lifted up.
Mm-hmm.
So it's a nice, pretty, almost like a heart.
Yes.
Almost. Isn't it beautiful?
Oh. You will edit it, right?
Yes. Of course, of course. No, you go. Wait, I'll pause it and then you go and see the mirror. So yeah, that's it. That's your routine. Look at it.
Oh my God.
So cute.
Yes, yes.
With just like the right layering and we just raked
And you took
scrunched.
only little amount of
Yeah,
products.
the tiniest amount.
Yeah.
That's why it's giving you this lift.
Mm-hmm.
And because we added the mousse and the hard hold gel, that's going to give you at least 2-3 days.
Mhm.
So 2-3 days you don't have to wash, you don't have to do anything.
Mm-hmm.
In fact, this is going to look better tomorrow
Okay.
because the curls are going to settle down
Okay.
and it's going to be so awesome.
I love it.
Yay!
Thank you so much. Can I give you a hug?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Now, like, literally, I just loved it. I loved it. You can see the curls.
Right? So pretty.
Yes.
Just turn around now, we'll see the back. Oh my gosh. So good. What a crazy transformation.